Hello and welcome back to my garage. Today, still the Renault Megane of my little brother. We are going to replace the third brake light. It's a little bit of an odd thing. The problem is sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. That there's something wrong with the cable, that there is maybe a tear or a breuk. Or a cable is broken or something like that. That is of course something that could be it. But my brother said, just replace the unit. Don't care if it's it will fix or not. So so at least we can rule out that it is the unit or something in the wiring. So yeah, not really scientific, but that is what we're going to do. Hey, and I'm not paying, so who cares? This is of course the unit, and hopefully it will fit better than the one I did on my mother's car. That thing was an absolute disaster. I must mention that I already replaced that one with another because, it was really rubbish quality. The lid or the lens itself, it was already coming off from that unit, so I already replaced it with a OEM brand. But this one is not a OEM one. This is from a Lotto. It wasn't that cheap. I do believe I paid something in the neighborhood of 70 euros, I do believe. So this wasn't a cheap one, but I could not get a OEM one for a proper price, so I thought, well, hopefully it fits better than that other one. It should not be too big of a job, so let's get started. Chicken! So let's start removing the inner trim. As you can see, it's just held in with some pop things. So hopefully you can see it, but underneath here, right in those holes where those pop things are in, those are some lips, and those lips are, if I held this thing in place, are these tabs. So you have to press these in, and then we should be able to push it out. Well, somebody had a field day with this thing. It looks like they already removed it in the past and just kitted it into place. We need to remove the water spray nozzle. Yeah, not the cleanest removal. So let's clean up all this goop. I doubt it is from factory, but you never know. So I tried my best to get everything off there, but I do think I am going to put a bead of sealer around it. I just don't have any desire to... Well, we don't want any water in there, and because it's now so uneven, I doubt it will seal with the seal it came with. We're going to click the sprayer, be sure that it faces the right direction. Let's test it first, shall we? Now we can put back the plate, and it should just snap in there. And there you have it, how to change a third brake light on a Renault Megane. It didn't went as smoothly as I thought it would, because someone has glued this thing into place. Maybe it was from factory, maybe not, I really don't know. But I decided to glue it into place also, just because I don't want any leaks in the car. Other than that, the item did fit okay. It was not the best fit I thought, but maybe it was all that stuff underneath there. I don't know for sure, but it is in there and it works. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hopefully you enjoyed it or at least learned something from it. And if you did, please give it a like. If you want to follow me around, you know what to do. And I will see you next time. Bye.